Start off by sectioning the hairs into sections so that we can see what we are working with, okay? So this is just me pulling the front part of the hair upwards so that I can have enough space and I can see what I'm working with. Starting from down, always begin from down to up when you're stretching your bone straight hair or any long hair in general. So this is me going with the stretcher and with the comb. Stretcher on the right hand, stretch the comb on the left hand.
Wake up to some
Guys, just watch through to see what I do. I'm just repeating the same process of sectioning the hairs to see to have enough to clear the space where I'm working with, to clear the line I want to work on. Do you get? So that I can see what I'm doing.
sunshine on my face, mirror smiles, I feel my grace.
So this is me going in with my clips to put the hair in place. After tying that, tying it with a rubber band, I'm just putting the remaining part of the hair in place with a clip, and I'm going in again with a comb on my left and my stretcher on my right. Guys, I'm pressing tightly and I'm stretching it. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. If you have any comments or if you have questions, just drop it in the comment section. I would get back to you. I really appreciate that, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I also give an in-depth training on classes on this, on wig styling, on different wig styling courses of your choice. If you're a stay-at-home mom or you want to start earning from home, okay? Everything you need to know is provided in the description below, guys. And see you in the class. Watch closely what I'm doing, guys, and you will get it.
No one else can write my page. This is my time, I own the stage. Every color that I wear tells the world I'm free, I care.
So please make sure you do share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in once again.
Don't need perfect, just need real. Every heartbeat's what I feel. I'm living my own way, dancing through the day. No rules to follow, I'm finding my own way. Sparkle in my step, dreams I won't delay. I laugh, I shine, I sing, I sway. I'm living my own way.
So I'm halfway done. So this is how yours should look like. Very straight and stretched, like it's super silky. So this is it. I'm almost done with the hair, with the wig. And this is 22 inches silky bone straight hair, 200 grams with a 2x6 closure. So if you want this, guys, you can send me an email or a DM on Instagram. I'll leave everything you need to know, the links in the description below.
Clouds may come, but I paint skies with cotton dreams and candy vibes. Even when I trip or fall, I get back up and stand tall. I don't need to fit the mold, I've got stories to unfold.
So we are done with the remaining part of the hair. You can see that. So we are now at our closure. So this is me just going in on the closure, guys. Just watch what I'm doing and you'll surely get it.
Every choice I make today builds the path I choose to stay. I'm living my own way, dancing through the day. No rules to follow.
So going with your wax stick. Get your hot comb. And use your hot comb to press and lay the closure hairs flat. Make sure that you're pressing it as you're actually how do I put it, sweeping through the hair, pressing it flat. You can see, just do exactly what I'm doing, guys, and you get the same result.
I'm finding my own way. Sparkle in my step, dreams I won't delay. I laugh. light and true, chasing joy in what I do. I'm living my own, come what may, brighter than yesterday. No one else can play my part. I'm the artist of my heart. I laugh, I shine, I sing, I sway. I'm living my own way.
So this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. You can see how it's all coming out, guys. I really love the look. It's super silky and super soft. At this point, it should be that way.
I'm living my own way.
See how shiny it is, how soft and silky. So guys, if you want this hair, if you want this wig, just send a DM to me, or you contact me in the description below, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks.